Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 17 of Leetcode, that is letter combination of phone number. So if you have used any keypad phone, then you must know that if you have to type any message, then you have to click these numbers, then only you can type in a message. For example, if you have to type Java, so for that you have to first click 5, then click 2, then 8, then 2. By clicking this number, you can write this message. So in this problem, we have to yeah. So in this problem, we are given a string containing digit from 2 to 9, okay, and return all possible letter combination that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. So we have given some a string like you can see 2, 3, and in this string we will be given some number. So using this number, how many a string can be created? So we have to find out that and return that. So if we are given a string, let's say 23 23, then you know that 2 can represent three number, that is a b c. Similarly 3 can represent 3 3 can represent three character, that is d e f. And using this three character of 3 and three character of 2, we can create how many strings? Let's see. So a b c and d e f. If we are taking a from 2 and d from 3, it will be ad. And similarly a can be combined with a can be combined with f, and now we are done with a. Moving towards b can be combined with d, b can be combined with e, and b can be combined with f, and at last c can be combined with d, c can be combined with e, and c can be combined with f. So we can create these 9 string using these two number 2 and 3. So in this problem we have given some string and we have to find out the result. So okay, now in second test case we have given a, a string 2 and we have to return sorry, we have given a string empty string. So in case of empty string we have to return empty list, okay. And in third test case we have given a number 2. So 2 can represent three character, that is d e f, and using 3 we can only create 3 string, that are these ones. So now we know how we can create any string. Now let's solve this. How we can solve this? There can be multiple way that we can solve this problem. One way is to iterate. One way is, as I explained this problem, like you have for a b c and d e f. One way is to keep one character and then combine all the character of second number, and again take and whatever result is coming, store that, and then take second character and append all the character from second number and append that and store this. In case if you have many number like 2 3 4, first we have to find out all the string from 2 3, and then we have to again check for 4. So this is the way we can solve this problem. So this is I don't think I need to explain this or write code for same. So I'm going to explain one another approach, that is using recursion and backtracking. So how we can solve this using backtracking? So now as we can see that if we have integer 2 3 4, so now first we have to check for 2. 2 can represent 3 character, that is a b c. Now if we are using 3 after that, then 3 can represent d e f, and if we are using again 4, then 4 can be represent g h i. So this is one of the combination. Again we will backtrack from here and will come to another combination, that is this one. Again backtrack, and this one will be another combination. Now we will be backtracking from here to here, and again we will be exploring this, and where we have to assign def, and again we can check a e d, a e e, and a e f. One second, not def, here it will be ghi. Okay, So again AEG, AGH, AGI. Again, after exploring all this, we have to explore this one, and then we will be adding AFG, AFG, AFH, and AFI. Similarly, we have to explore all the trees, and we have to we have to keep storing our result. So now we are going to perform recursion and backtracking for same. So let's write the pseudocode for same. So we have given a function. From that function we have to call a helper function. So I am writing that helper function only. So this is the helper function. It will be taking one index and given input, that is digits, and then a result where we have to store. And apart from this, we will be getting need of a current result. Okay, for now we need only these four variables. If we'll need any other, we will be adding further on. Okay, so what is the base case? The base case, as we are writing the recursion, so we will need a base case from where we have to iterate back. So for if our index is going to equal to digits dot length, we will be returning from here, and before that we will be storing a store current in result, current in result, and return. Okay, and if this is not true, then we have to first convert this digits into character array. This is going to be okay, we will be needing values like 2 will be representing DEF, so and 3 will be representing 2 will be representing ABC, and 3 will be representing DEF. So for that we will be need a value array. So we have to pass that also. We can pass it here values. So at if we are at index, any index, we have to find out that index and values corresponding to that. So values index to char array. Okay, and if you are using any other programming language than Java, then you don't have to transform this, you can simply iterate. So for that, after that we will be iterating from index 0 to char array dot length. Okay, and first we have to add current digit, current character into our current result. So char array dot I, and then we have to again call helper function from here, and pass all the arguments at given. And then we have to, as we are adding this, for next time we have to remove this. So for that we will be using current dot delete char. Okay, char dot length -1. By doing this, we will be able to build our result. And let's go to the compiler and write the code for same. So we will be going to need a string array values. So quickly write this. This will be something. Yeah. So we created our string array of values. Okay. Now we have to create our list of string that we have to return. It is going to be result new array list. Okay, now call the helper function that we have not defined yet. So first we have to send 0 as index, digits that we have already given, then values and result, and new string builder for current values. Okay, now at last return result. Now call, now declare helper function. Okay, receive all the arguments, strings, string array values, and list of a string, that is result, and a string builder for current. Okay, so what was the base case? If index is going to be equal to digits dot length, then we have to store our result in, have to store our current result into result and then return. Okay, so ds, so this is current dot, convert it into a string, as this is a string builder, and then we have to return. Now as we are using array, sorry, Java, we have to convert this into char array. Values of current index, minus 0. Okay, by using this we will be able to get the index, then convert this into char array. Now iterate from index 0 to char array dot length. First store current value, current character, and at last delete char. We are removing the current character that we had stored in last term. Okay, so this is going to be cut dot length -1, and in between we have to call recursion. Okay, so index +1, digits, values, result, and current. Now let's run this. I hope there will be no any error. So yeah, new, sorry, don't have to use new here. Sorry. So test case has been passed for first test case. Now check remaining two. Okay, now we have to handle the test case 2, that if our digit length is 0, then we have to only don't have to do anything, just return the result. Okay, so we will be writing here, if digits dot length equal to 0, then in this case return result. Now run this again. Yeah, all the test cases has been passed for the given test case. Now submit this. Yes, our solution has been accepted, and this is 100% faster than all the given Java submissions. So I hope you must have learned something from this video. In case, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share among your friends. Thanks. Thank you very much.